Sandeep Balaji Gautamar, and today's date is 20 March 2024. And today's topic name is thread pool in Java. In Java, a thread pool is a collection of worker threads that are managed by a pool manager. It used to efficiently execute tasks concurrently without creating new threads for each task, which can be costly in terms of resources. Java provides the executor service framework to work with thread pools. Example is we create a fixed size thread pool with 5 threads. We submit 10 tasks to the thread pool using exe executor dot submit. Each task is represented by the task class, which implements the runnable interface. When a task is executed, it prints its ID and the name of the thread executing it. Finally, we shut down the thread pool using exe executor dot shutdown. This is important to gracefully shut down the thread pool after all tasks have completed executed. Thread pool are commonly used in Java when we have multiple tasks that need to be executed concurrently, and we want to manage the source efficiently. There are some scenarios where thread pool are commonly used. First is web services. In web services, thread pools are used to handle multiple incoming requests concurrently. Each incoming request is assigned to a thread from the thread pool, allowing the server to handle multiple requests simultaneously without creating a new thread for each request. Then second is GUI applications. In GUI applications, tasks such as processing user input, updating the UI, or performing background computation often need to be executed concurrently. Thread pools can be used to manage this task efficiently, ensuring responsiveness and a smooth user experience. Then third is networking applications. Applications that involves networking such as downloading files from the internet, or handling multiple client connections can benefit from thread pools. Thread pools can be used to handle multiple network requests concurrently, improving through and performance. Then fourth is batch processing. In batch processing, applications where a large number of tasks need to be processed or in parallel. In parallel, thread pools can be used to execute this task efficiently. For example, processing a large number of files concurrently. Uh, uh, thread pools are used in Java whenever there's a need to execute multiple tasks concurrently. So this is all about thread pool in Java. Thank you.